Want powerful professional video editing for free? In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Davinci Resolve 20. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So first, all you have to do is open your web browser and search for Davinci Resolve to download, or go directly to blackmagicdesign.com and scroll down to page until you find the free download now button. Now here you will see two versions. One is the Davinci Resolve Studio, which is the paid one, and then the Davinci Resolve, the 100% free one. Select that and you have to select your system. So I'm going to choose Windows x86, and now fill in your name, your email, countries, and then scroll down and press register and download at the top button. And then the download should start automatically. So I have already downloaded the zip file. Now once it's downloaded, open your file explorer, then go to download file, and now all you have to do is right click the zip file and extract the file. And after that, open the extract folder, double click the installer, and then you will see the Davinci setup wizard. Click through each step, press next, accept the license. If you agree, then press install, wait for it to complete it, and once finished, hit finish and close the installer, and you are done. You can now open the Davinci Resolve 20 from your desktop or your start menu. Then happy editing. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in my next video.